the bearing of four different places from the place called lookout. So this is lookout, this is the pirate's landing, this is the flagpole and the skeleton and buried treasure. So the question is, use protractor to measure these bearing from lookout. Now, to find bearing, you need to know, or there are basically three conditions. First condition is the first condition is it is always from the north. Always from north. That's the first condition. Always from north. The second condition is, or the second rule, the second convention is it's always measured from the north clockwise. So it's always measured from the north clockwise. And the third convention is we always write them in 3 digits. So let me go over these three conditions in one example. We want to find the bearing of pirate's landing from lookout using a protractor. So the first thing is, or whenever you're doing north, it's always facing upwards. Okay, so this is how you draw north. So this is the north from, so this is north, so it's a good practice to write N there. So this is north, and then we have to draw a ray and make the ray as big as possible so that you can read from the protractor. So let me get an electronic protractor, and basically students struggle to read the protractor. Okay, so let me delete this. Let me get a new protractor. Let me and make it bigger. Okay, so this is, you can read the protractor from outside or from inside. Now the way in which you read is depending on which you consider as the base or the reference. So I'm going to move this and move this here, and first let me make it, the center of the protractor should meet with the lookout or the reference point, and the 0, I'm considering this line to be the reference line. So let me move the protractor slightly and match the 0 with this line. Okay, so this is 0, so this is 0 degree. So you're reading the inside scale, and so this is 40, and so this is 45 or 46. Okay, so slightly more than, this is 46. I can't draw there, so this is 40 and 46. So let me delete it now. So delete. So the bearing of pirate's landing from lookout is 46 degree. So you don't write 46, you write 046 degree. Okay, so this is how you measure the bearing of one place from a given place. Okay, let's do one more. We want to find the bearing of skeleton from same lookout. Okay, so let me move it like this, and so this is skeleton. We want to find again the same way. You have to measure this angle, or this angle is what we want to, this would be the bearing. So the bearing is this angle. So you can either measure this angle or you can measure this angle. This angle, say let's say that is say x. So this angle would be 360, take away x. Now before you measure, it's always good to estimate that angle. So, well, if this is 0, this is 180. If you go right below it, 180, and this is 270. So it will be between 180 and 270. So again, let's get the protractor and move this protractor down and make this a bit bigger. And then let's move it. Okay, and then let the center of the protractor meet with lookout, and let's move the 0 here this way. Okay, so this is your 0, so we are reading this angle. So we are reading the inside again. So you're reading from here. So this is 0 degree. So this is 120. This is 130. This is 125, 126, 127. So I would say this angle is 127. So I'll say X is 127 degrees. 127 degrees. So the bearing would be 360, take away 360, take away 127. You don't need a protractor, so this is 3. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So 233 degree. Okay, so that is, you don't